Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to open Python in Visual Studio Code. First thing you need to have is to have downloaded the Visual Studio Code in your PC and then go to File, go to Open Folder. I have created a folder in my desktop with a little code and I'll just select it. So it's Hi Python. Okay. This is just a file. Import Python. Okay, so first thing we need to do is to go to extensions. Okay, just give it a little time. All right, and we'll type Python. You have the debugger and you have the Python. I'll recommend you this one. I have already installed it, but if you haven't installed it, I can just do install. And here we have it. It says installed. Now it will work. If this video has helped you, please hit the like and subscribe button so we can see you in our next video. Thank you.